Welcome to our exciting new video, How High Can We Build? Throughout history, humans have been pushing the limits of what's possible, constantly striving to build taller and taller structures. From the ancient pyramids of Egypt to the modern-day Burj Khalifa, our obsession with height has led us to engineer incredible feats of architecture and construction. But just how high can we go? In this video, we'll explore the current tallest buildings in the world, the technology that enables them, and the limits of our current engineering capabilities that halt the progress of future skyscraper mega projects. Join us on this thrilling journey as we investigate the question on everyone's mind: just how high can we build? Before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Luxuries Daily Input. Number 6. Burj Khalifa. Located in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, Burj Khalifa currently holds the title of the tallest building in the world. The height of the building is a staggering 828 meters, 2,717 feet, and it has 163 floors in total. The construction of the Burj Khalifa began in 2004 and was completed in 2010, and it was designed by the famous architect Adrian Smith. The Burj Khalifa features a unique design that draws inspiration from Islamic architecture, and it's made up of 3 sections that taper inwards as they rise higher. The exterior of the building is covered with over 26,000 glass panels, which reflect the light and create a stunning visual effect. The building also has several observation decks, including the famous At the Top observation deck located on the 124th floor, which provides panoramic views of Dubai and the surrounding area. Aside from its impressive height, the Burj Khalifa also has several other notable features, such as the world's fastest elevator, which can travel at a speed of 64 kilometers per hour, 40 miles per hour, and the world's highest swimming pool located on the 76th floor. The building also features a luxury hotel, high-end restaurants, and several residential apartments, making it a true marvel of engineering and design. Number 5. Dubai Creek Tower. The largest observation tower in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, will be the Dubai Creek Tower. The tower, which is being developed by Amar Properties, is located in the Dubai Creek Harbor development and is set to become the tallest structure in the world when completed. It was first announced in 2016 and is designed by Spanish architect Santiago Calatrava. The tower is expected to be 928 meters, 2,716 feet tall, at least 100 meters taller than the height of the Burj Khalifa. The design of the tower is inspired by the lily flower, a symbol of Dubai, and features a slender stem with a series of petals or wings that will provide shade and support for the observation deck. The tower will feature several amenities and attractions, including an observation deck, restaurants, and retail space. The observation deck, located near the top of the tower, will provide panoramic views of Dubai and the surrounding area, and is expected to become a major tourist attraction. Construction on the tower began in 2017 and was expected to be completed in the mid-2020s, but the progress was halted due to the pandemic and other reasons, such as budget and design issues. The preliminary cost was calculated to be around $1 billion. The progress has not been resumed since 2020 and is not expected to be initiated anytime soon. Number 4. Jeddah Tower. The skyscraper that is expected to surpass Burj Khalifa is the Jeddah Tower. The tower was first announced in 2008 by Saudi Arabian billionaire Prince Al-Walid bin Talal's investment company, Kingdom Holding Company. Construction began in 2013 and was initially scheduled to be completed in 2020. However, due to various challenges, including financial setbacks and changes in the project's design, the completion date has been pushed back to 2024. Jeddah Tower's height is planned to reach 1 kilometer, or 3,280 feet, which is about 173 meters taller than the Burj Khalifa. It will have 167 floors and an observation deck that will provide visitors with a panoramic view of the city and the Red Sea. The tower's design was inspired by the folded fronds of a young desert plant, with a tapering triangular shape that twists as it rises. The building will contain a mix of uses, including luxury apartments, a Four Seasons hotel, office spaces, and observation decks. The tower's structure is designed to withstand the extreme wind and seismic forces that that are common in the region. It will also feature advanced building systems, such as high-speed elevators and an advanced energy-efficient facade, to reduce energy consumption. Jeddah Tower is expected to cost around $1.5 billion to construct and is viewed as a symbol of Saudi Arabia's ambitions to diversify its economy and attract more tourism to the country. It is also expected to catalyze further development in Jeddah and the surrounding area. Number 3. Exceed 4000. The hypothetical megaproject designed by the Japanese architectural firm Taisei Corporation is Exceed 4000. It's an enormous skyscraper that, if built, would stand at a height of 4,000 meters, 13,123 feet tall, making it the tallest building ever proposed. The project was conceived in 1995, but it's never been built due to various technical, financial, and regulatory challenges. If constructed, the Exceed 4000 would house a wide range of facilities, including offices, apartments, commercial spaces, hotels, and entertainment venues. It would also feature many cutting-edge technologies, such as elevators that can travel at high speeds and advanced earthquake-resistant systems. The Exceed 4000's design is inspired by Mount Fuji, Japan's iconic mountain, but is definitely expected to be more enormous than it. Its shape resembles a cone with a pointed top, and its facade would be made of environmentally friendly materials. The tower's construction would require a massive amount of materials, including steel, concrete, and glass, and would pose significant engineering challenges in terms of stability, wind resistance, and water supply. Although the Exceed 4000 remains a hypothetical project, it has sparked a debate among architects, engineers, and urban planners about the feasibility and sustainability of building such massive structures. Some critics argue that such megaprojects are not financially viable and could have negative impacts on local ecosystems and communities. Number 2. The Launch Loop. The Launch Loop is a theoretical megaproject that involves the construction of an enormous structure that could launch payloads, such as satellites and spacecraft, into orbit. The idea was first proposed in the 1980s by Keith Lofstrom, an American engineer and entrepreneur. The launch loop consists of a long, narrow loop of superconducting cable extending up to thousands of kilometers in length, suspended in the Earth's atmosphere by a series of towers. Electromagnetic forces would be used to accelerate a payload along the cable, reaching speeds of up to 10 kilometers per second, 36,000 kilometers per hour, which is fast enough to achieve orbit. To make the launch loop work, a large amount of electrical power would be required, generated by solar or nuclear power plants. The system would also require precise engineering and material science to withstand the forces of acceleration and atmospheric resistance. The launch loop could offer several advantages over traditional rocket launches, such as reduced costs, increased safety, and the ability to launch payloads of much larger sizes. However, the construction of such a megaproject would be a massive undertaking, requiring significant financial, technical, and regulatory challenges to be overcome. At present, the launch loop remains a theoretical concept, with no concrete plans for construction or funding. Nonetheless, the idea continues to inspire research and discussion among scientists and engineers as they explore new ways to explore space and achieve greater access to orbit. Number 1. Space Elevator. Like various other megaprojects, the space elevator is also a hypothetical megaproject that involves building a structure from Earth to space that can transport people and cargo to space without the use of rockets. The concept was first proposed by Russian scientist Konstantin Tsiolkovsky in 1895 and later popularized by science fiction writers such as Arthur C. Clarke. The space elevator would consist of a cable made of strong, lightweight materials such as carbon nanotubes or graphene, anchored to the Earth's surface and extending tens of thousands of kilometers into space. The space elevator could offer many advantages over traditional rocket launches, including reduced costs, increased safety, and the ability to transport larger payloads. One of the major technical challenges of the space elevator is the development of a material strong enough to withstand the tension and weight of the cable while also being lightweight enough to be practical. Carbon nanotubes and graphene have been identified as potential materials for the cable due to their high strength-to-weight ratio, but their production and manufacturing on a large scale are still challenging. Researchers and companies have been working on developing new materials and manufacturing techniques to address these challenges. In 2019, researchers at Shuzoku University in Japan successfully tested a small-scale space elevator prototype consisting of a motorized box that moved up and down a 10-meter cable using a solar-powered laser beam. Other companies and organizations, such as NASA and the International Space Elevator Consortium, continue to invest in research and development to advance the space elevator concept. However, significant technical and financial challenges remain before a full-scale space elevator can be built and deployed. What do you think about these mega projects? How high do you think we can build? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and subscribe to Luxury Daily's Input.